Okay, nestled in the heart of nature, this stunning off-grid tiny house is the perfect blend of modern design and serenity. With its unique curved roof, large window, and light wooden exterior, it stands beautifully against the backdrop of trees and greenery. The attached deck offers the perfect spot to relax and take in the peaceful surroundings. Let's take a closer look at this one of a kind retreat. Okay, alright. Let's take a look inside this modern mobile home. Wow, right away, I love how cozy and stylish this space feels. Even though it's compact, the design is incredibly well thought out. The soft beige and cream interior gives it such a warm and inviting atmosphere, and that curved ceiling adds a really unique touch. And that curved ceiling is such a game changer. Unlike a traditional flat or rectangular ceiling, this design makes the space feel more open while adding a sleek, futuristic vibe. And look at that large glass window. So much natural light is coming in, making the whole room feel bright and airy. And now, let's check out this kitchen. For a mobile home, upper this is super impressive. There's just enough counter space for meal prep, and the layout keeps everything compact yet functional. I love how the light color scheme makes the kitchen feel more spacious and even in a small setting. And here's is something I always appreciate in tiny space, an actual staircase leading up to the loft bed. And ladders are common in small homes, but having proper stairs make it so much easier to access to the loft. And it also adds to the overall aesthetic, making the space feel more like a real home. And okay, and this one. This loft bed setup is perfect. It's tucked away just enough to feel cozy, yet open enough so you don't feel closed in. The way the ceiling curves above it adds to that comfortable and snug vibe. Imagine waking up here with the morning light streaming in through that huge window. And of course, every home needs a spot to relax. This little lounge area is so well placed right by the window, so you can sit here enjoying coffee or work on laptop or just take in a beautiful view outside. And even in small space, this setup feels comfortable and also practical. And and then everything about this interior is so well balanced. The soft beige and cream colors keep it feeling warm and cozy, and while the curved ceiling and large window prevent it from feeling too cramped, it's perfect blend of style, comfort, and functionality. And I have to say, this is one of the most beautiful design mobile home I've seen. The smart use of space, the cozy yet modern vibe, and that incredible natural light. It's just stunning. And what do you think, guys? Would you love to live in a mobile home like this? And let me know in the comment. Okay, all right. Let's check out this modern mobile home bathroom. And wow, right off the bat, I love how clean and stylish it looks. And even though it's a compact space, the design is incredibly well thought out. The beige and cream tones make the room feel warm and inviting, while the large glass window brings in a tone of natural light. It's small, but it does not feel cramped at all. And take a look at that ceiling. The curves design adds such a modern and futuristic touch, and it's really smart way to make the space feel more open, especially in a small bathroom like this. And that large window absolutely game changer. Not only does it brighten up the space, but it also gives you beautiful views of the outdoors. Just imagine soaking in the tub with a view like that. And speaking of the bathtub, this is pure luxury in a tiny space. And a lot of mobile home bedroom just have a shower, but this one actually has a bathtub, which is such a nice touch. It's compact but deep enough to give you a relaxing soak, and being placed right by the window, that's next level relaxation. And now, let's check out the essential. The toilet is modern and well placed, fitting perfectly into the layout without taking up too much space. And I love that they have installed an exhaust fan, so such an important detail for keeping the air fresh and preventing moisture build up. It's those little functional details that really make a difference in a compact space like this. And look at this vanity area. The white sink and mirror combo blends so well with the beige and cream interior, and the mirror helps perfect light and reflect light, making the space feel even bigger. And the sink has a clean, minimalist design that does not take up too much space but still looks super stylish. And for a mobile home bathroom, this is seriously impressive. The curved ceiling, the large window, the soft color tones, all of it works together to create a space that feels open, bright, and functional. It does not feel like a cramped RV bathroom at all. It feels like a stylish high-end retreat. I have to say, this bathroom is totally winner. The natural light, the bathroom with a view, the modern design, everything about this is so well balanced. What do you think, guys? Would you love to have a bathroom like this? And let me know in the comment. Okay, guys, between the exterior and some of the interiors that I presented just now, only focus on the theme of material and color composition. And this does not mean that there is a correlation regarding the position of openings and a synchronized layout between the exterior and also the interior. However, this is the design inspiration that I present with the hope of being able to give all of you about useful ideas and about useful inspiration, especially about tiny home and interior of the tiny home. And if you enjoy this reaction, if you enjoy this video until the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel, and just wait for my next video in the channel. And thanks for watching, and have a good day.